Is keeping your facility up at maximum efficiency with minimum unplanned downtime a goal for you? Yes, unexpected breakdowns are expensive as they will interfere with our day-to-day business operations. But how can I make sure that there will be no unexpected equipment breakdowns without doing costly maintenance regularly? That's why in this video, I want to show you our new proactive maintenance system, how it works, and also how you can benefit from using it. Hi, my name is Nixon from Hyoki, and if you hate last minute unplanned downtime in your facility and you're looking for a free solution, you'll definitely love what this maintenance system has for you. So keep watching. Let's face it, most of us cannot afford to have our facilities down for long. This means that as soon as an equipment fails, you and your maintenance team have to immediately go down on site to get it fixed. So then, how will a proactive maintenance system guarantee that you'll never put yourself in such a last minute situation ever again, or constantly have equipment maintenance that are excessive? But before getting into that, the more important question is, what is a proactive maintenance system and how does it even work? So you see, this system, the Genet One, is actually designed to alert users when potential problems in equipment arises. This will allow you to get them repaired even before they break down. And it works by collecting real-world data such as temperature, vibration, electrical signals, pressure, and other parameters that can indicate when a failure is likely to occur. Finally, with the Genet One and the monitoring sensors, all the data will be recorded in real time while your equipment is running. This will create a more proactive response on your end because you're now presented with a more comprehensive picture of each of your equipment and the overall health of the operation as a whole. For example, a thermocouple wire is used to detect if the conditions are too hot, which will eventually cause the machine to overheat. Therefore, because the proactive system, the Genet One, allows you to foresee abnormal situations and take corrective actions whenever necessary, you'll never have to send your maintenance crew down to do excessive operations and also worry about unplanned downtime in your facility, which will help your company reduce costs in the long run. So in my next video, I'll be showing you how Hyoki has actually been providing a one-stop free solution and how you can actually set it up in your facility. So if you like this video, be sure to hit the like button below. And now, let me turn it over to you. Are you excited to use the new proactive maintenance system? Let me know why in the comment section below.